Hi guys, welcome to Meet World. It is a virtual event platform that will help to make events more interesting as well as engrossing. It will help to create or join events, and it would help to create events or organize events in a much more simpler and interesting manner. So it has two options. The first is to create an event and the second is to join an event. The first one is as follows.
So in the create event, the user will enter his name as well as the uh, room name. Then the data will be stored in the database, and the data will be displayed in the dashboard as well.
The second option of join event. So here's the second option of join event, which is as follows.
For joining the event, the user will enter his name and the room code. After he enters his details, the following details will be stored in the database. As you see, it is stored in the event join in the table join event, which will further be displayed in the launch area.
So after the data is stored in the database, it would lead to the main web page of Meet World. So here's the first page, which is the blackboard or the virtual whiteboard. So here one can draw together, or you can erase or clear the whiteboard. It has also many features like uploading a background, uploading a picture, or downloading whatever is written on the whiteboard, inviting other people, and the best option is of live chat, which will help people to interact with each other and learn from each other. Here's a demo of the live chat. So like all three of us can chat here. Also, you can set your name from the setting options, and then you can chat. So here's the demo. So the next area is the launch area. All names stored in the database. All names are stored in the database once a person tries to enter the room, and then they are displayed here as the list of attendees. It will help the organizers to keep a record of who all are there in the meeting and who all are participating or actively working in the event. Once a person clicks the leave event, the name would be deleted from the database and the name of attendee would not be shown anymore here. Next is the networking area.
So when we create an event, we have various teams. So all the teams have their independent meet links. So here we have, so here what we have done is we have created tables for different teams. So by clicking on the table, they will be directed on their own meet, and they can audio chat as well as video chat there, audio call as well as video call there, and they can also connect it with the chat box of the launch area, dashboard area, and they can chat collectively as well.
Yeah, so the third area is that of the console. Uh, so here's the main console page.
In this console page, the users can actively code together so that the output will be like exponential. This will help in learning new stuff together and will be more entertaining, and it will also be more interesting. It have many languages like Python, C++, which will further help in their growth.
So the next is the gaming area.
So during the event, the users can also play games in the gaming area. It is a really fun game, and you should try it as well. Uh,
I wanted people to connect to their spiritual side and attain a state of happiness. So I created
So the game is playable, and it would be a good entertainment during the events once the person is bored, like working for very long hours. Okay, so the last feature is the leave button, which would make person exit from the main page and would bring the person back to the first page of our website. That is the Meet World page. I'll show that. So here's the transition. Now it's turn to move through the codes. So let us move through the codes. This is the first file, the cover page file, that's the index.php, and its CSS file is style.css. Uh, it contains the codes of the circle transitions as well as the 3D transition present on the first page. The next file is script.js. Uh, that's also used for the circles, moving circles on the very first page. Then create event.html is the one used to create and schedule events. Similarly, join.html is to join event and make the list of attendees in the database. Both of these files are connected to the submit.inc PHP, which is for the database. I'll show it. So this connects those files to the database through dbh.inc.php. Okay, so similarly for join event PHP, and next we move to other files. So the next file is index1 PHP. That is the main page which has all the other areas like the console, gaming area, networking area, launch area. This is its its CSS file, and this is the script file, the JS file for the same. So next is the meet.html. This is the code of the video conferencing and audio conferencing app that we have made. This is
We have made this app using WebRTC.
Yeah, this is the GSS and this is the CSS file of the same. So next is the network.css file and net.js file. This was made to design the networking area. Similarly, network.html. Delete.php file is used for the leave button that was present on the website. It would delete the name of person from joint event table, and hence the name would be deleted from the attendees list once the person leaves the site. So this was all, and thank you so much for listening and for trying to understand our codes. Thanks a lot.